Welcome back, Turn 4 Automotive. Today we're back, another wheel review, Rolling Big Power. 71R Avenger wheel this time. So always fancy names for Rolling Big Power. Little cutout first. Buy yourself a damn t-shirt. Get under to win some coilovers. ISC Coilovers sponsoring our t-shirt promotion. So buy a shirt, we have plenty here, win coilovers. Now back to the wheel. This one here is a 20x10 Avenger. This is in an 8-lug pattern for an older Chevy truck. They come in a number of patterns. All the RBP patterns you're used to, 5-lug, 6-lug, 8-lug, 74-lug, whatever you need. Every pattern of these things are available. This one is in the machined and black accent finish. They also come in all chrome for your bros and black, all flat black. So whatever you need for your vehicle. The one-piece wheel is available 20x10, 20x12, 22x12, and 24x14. These also come in a forged finish if daddy's buying them for you. And you can get those all the way up to a 28x16. So any size that you really need for your truck. These come in a number of accent finishes as well. They have green accents, orange accents inside the cutouts on this wheel. As all our other RBP wheels we've shown you, really awesome finishes, really awesome machining work to these things. There's no flakes, there's no chips in the paint. These things are just top notch. Lips are awesome. Same bolt-on center cap as your other RBP wheels. 2 Allen head bolts to bolt that on. Covers all your lug nuts up. So just the standard conical seat lug nut works on that. Get the cheap ones because they're going to be covered up anyways. Lots of strength on the back of these wheels, just like the rest of them. The back of the spokes are all super strong, all load weight rated wheels, so these things are going to work great in your 3/4 ton, 1-ton vehicles. Don't be afraid to hook a trailer to it. You're not going to crumble the wheel underneath it. So RBP, Rolling Big Power, stepping up in the game continuously, bringing us good products, lift kits, wheels, step bars, lights, anything you need. Rolling Big Power is awesome, top quality anytime you need it. So this is the 71R Avenger. If you want the forged one, 71RF is the forged version of those wheels. So just one-piece cast wheel. This one is around $289 a wheel. They go all the way up if you get the 24x14, the chrome at $650, $680 a wheel, something like that. So they range in price, but these are very economical. Get a set of these with tires for, you know, under $2 grand on the truck out the door. So really awesome wheels, set your truck apart. They come in a number of different offsets as well, from +10 all the way to -76. So anything you want for an offset. This is a -12 offset. Not going to stick out too far past the factory fender flare, so it's going to be a nice fit. Pass the state inspection laws here in the state of Maine, so you don't have to worry about the tires sticking 4 inches out of the fenders. But really awesome wheels, awesome machine finish. Just a note on the black wheel, it does still have the machined rivet heads on the outside of the lip. So even though it's all black, all that does is get rid of the machined accents inside the face of the wheel, not on the outside of the face. So go ahead, pick yourself up a set of RBP wheels, buy a t-shirt, win some coilovers, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks for tuning in to Turn 4 Automotive.